This is my poem about RSC 101. It seems the class just started and now it's done. We powered through dimensions of wellness in Little Theater each week with masks on and distance even when the pandemic was bleak. Thursday mornings were a blast, 8 a.m. on Zoom. We shared about the moth and listened to one another in our virtual room. At first, you shunned those Zoom cameras, but no way, not anymore. Now you're all public speakers and engaged right to the core. Why do I like this class so much? Let me tell you why. You're all so unique. I don't want to say goodbye. You've made our Mondays and Thursdays worthwhile and interesting. We'll always be friends, though some of you still have me guessing. We've taught each other about resilience, wellness, and spirituality. You've been patient souls, sharing willingly of our confusing reality. You've coached me through many technicalities, and continue to always follow our pledge, reaching our best potentialities. So now my 3 takeaways that I want you to know. First, less text on slides without plagiarizing is the way to go. Second, learn the main ideas from article titles, even if they're rough. 3, be resilient when times are really tough. You've got what it takes, so never give up. There's so much I will remember about you, dear ones. There's more than this, of course, but here comes your puns. There's Isabella smiling at me in the first row. Angelo telling me when things are good to go. There's Kaylee's fun playlist and chatting face to face. And don't forget Will, Peggy, and Brianna, who rocked the signature showcase. There's Shauna and Aaliyah modeling good friendship forever. And Allie and Sky and Mena sitting a few rows up, bonded together. Sade exploring majors and being encouraging. Sakina being strong and never discouraging. Abigail and Kyle, deep thoughts without ever bragging. Alyssa's emails, thanks for being polite and never nagging. Samantha and Lindsay, always sure and steady, ready to work. Randy, Tyra, wish I knew what you were thinking. Tell me, are you hiding a smirk? Emma and Caitlin, they won't let you down. Lenora and Bibi will take away your frown. Kat, Adriana, and Sapphire, very mysterious, full of wonder. Angela's so sweet, she'll never steal your thunder. Then there's me, your only Professor Sarah. Class might be done, but she's always a there. So goodbye for now, but hopefully not forever. Don't be a stranger. We're in this together. Congratulations, you made it.